Wilhelm Winata, and you can call me Winata. And I'm from Indonesia, especially in Tufts University. And nice to meet you guys.
First of all, my name is Devin Ezekiel. You can call me Devin. I am from University of Indonesia and majoring in electrical engineering, especially.
Okay, my name is Johan Ari Saputro. You can call me Ju or Hans.
Hello everyone, my name is Ricky from Indonesia, especially University of Indonesia. I'm come here as a teaching student at National Taiwan University of Science and Technology.
My name is Abdul Vicky Kurnia. You can call me Vicky, and I'm from computer engineering student at University Indonesia. I'm second semester at my university.
My name is Hannah Sorry from India, which you can call me Dennis. I'm from Indonesia. I'm currently training at Harvard.
Okay, my first impression in Taiwan is the country is beautiful. Taiwan is a beautiful country, and Taiwan have a lot of interesting tourist destinations.
To Taiwan, for my first impression is that I thought that Taiwan is a most advanced country because a lot of technologies that I know come from Taiwan. So I expecting that it may be a little bit different from Chinese mainland as what I know, and it's also my first impression, my first experience for heading into abroad besides Indonesia. So yeah, that's my first impression.
My first impressions is Taiwan is hot. That's our vacations. It's hot.
Of Taiwan is a pretty clean country, disciplined country, as you can see in during traffic light, not so crowded. It's very different from my city, Jakarta, and different language. I never heard someone speak Chinese before.
My first impression about Taiwan is the country have a lot of good people, because in here I think I have a new friend a lot from Taiwan, and I think I can try to grow myself to advance my knowledge about, especially about technology and telecommunication in here.
I think Taiwan is a very tourist-friendly country since they have a pretty good culture, tradition, and all the places.
Okay, my expectation is my expectation is to meet a new friends, get a new knowledge, and get a fun experience in here.
Yeah, my expectation is I want to meet new friends in here, find a best friend in here, like you guys. Thank you. And I want to learn knowledge and learn some little Chinese language maybe.
My expectation in Taiwan, because I think that Taiwan is great and advanced country, because the most technology in Taiwan is very advanced in the world, and I think I can try to visit this country and study for more experience in here.
I expect to do a lot of meet a lot of friends and to travel a lot and to gain new experiences.
Okay, the biggest culture shock is everyone in here likes to walk. Every people is walking, and it takes time to me to get used with that habit. But I think it's a good habit because I rarely to walking in Indonesia, but in here I usually often to walking everywhere, and I think it's a good habit and it's good positive, very positive.
First of all, I thought that it will be more expensive in terms of living cost here, but actually, if you live inside campus, the living cost is actually lower than I expected. But to my surprise,
the living cost outside of campus is exponentially high. So that is one of my culture shock, and also I'm also kind of not expecting that pork in here is more cheaper than chicken, because in Indonesia pork is is more expensive than chicken. So yeah, that's one of my unique things here.
For biggest culture shock, a lot of culture shock in here. The first thing is everything in here is Chinatown. So it's like a big Chinatown in Taiwan. And then for food, yeah, food in here is no taste in my tongue. It's not taste at all. And everything in here is made by pork. So I must be careful in here.
My biggest culture shock is definitely pedestrian friendly environment where you have a city that is good for jaywalking or taking a bike or enjoying free park. That's incredibly uncommon within my town. That's probably my biggest culture shock.
My biggest culture shock is when I try to some food in here. I think the taste for my tongue is very strange. So, but in a few months, I think it's good. It's good taste because I think it's after a few months and I enjoy. But when I try to compare to my country, is food is more expensive. I think it's three multiple from my country like this.
Weather is very humid. In my country, it's also hot. It's not really here. But it's not the same for
Okay, tourist places. There are many actually. The first one that I visited actually, Japan, which is Ghibli Tea House, if you know it, and Wulai Waterfall. Wulai Waterfall is also what I visit, and then I also visit Rifang, Fulang Shores. That is at the north of Taiwan, and then Taipei 101 and X Park. Recently I visited X Park. It's quite expensive there, but yeah, a lot of good experience there. So you gotta check it out. So I also go to Gloria in Taoyuan. It's a very big shopping mall. I don't even know how that big it is because I didn't visit it all. So and several night markets like in Rocket. It's one of the things that I find many unique things there, and also Shilin, also in Ximen. And the last one that I also like is the Digital Plaza in Guangzhou and Sichuan. It's also the place that I like. And
I go to many places with my Taiwanese friends, right? Yeah, my mentors and my friends. To Yangmingshan, Xiangshan, and then go to Xidian River to view, Taiwan Summer Festival to see fireworks. It's good.
During summer vacation, I have visited several landmarks. I didn't remember all of its name, sorry. Another memorable tourist attraction would be hiking near Shilin. I have no idea what that mountain name. And then going to Tangsui and to Wulai Waterfall. I think one of the most beautiful waterfalls.
I have tried to visit. I think I have visit the our attraction like market and like the favorite place like zoo, mountain. I have hiking with Jimmy and DY to mountain what?
Yangmingshan.
Yangmingshan.
Yangming.
Yangmingshan.
Yangming
Yeah,
mountain.
like this. So I like the attraction in here and I like Taiwan.
I
tries many places. Like almost every weekend, I spend my time to get trip into a new place, some like outdoor activity or just sightseeing around the city, and or just enjoy the riverside. I have
My favorite is Tamsui because Tamsui is beach and I have to see the sunset. And I think the sunset in Tamsui is beautiful.
And I try a lot of food like pineapple cake, a black egg, sticky tofu, and my favorite is of course the milk tea, the boba. I think it's very delicious in here.
Maybe a lot, but the one unique thing is, of course, sticky tofu here. The first time I tried sticky tofu, I don't really like the smell, but the taste is actually it's just like normal tofu, but there's some sort of unique taste between it. And also, the one that I like is that everything in here is actually healthy because in Indonesia, every food that you eat, some sort of have a lot of taste from MSG and yeah, it's very salty. So, but in here you eat food like more healthy food because yeah, in my tongue it's like all of it just tastes plain, but I know it's like this what healthy food tastes like because of here. My mom always cook like that. So yeah.
Taiwanese food, I try sticky tofu, sticky tofu, and then black egg. Yeah, only that. And Taiwanese bread.
What's your favorite?
My favorite is black egg. It's good, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Taiwanese cuisine that I try is hot pot, and then pineapple cake, and then some street food. Street food snack like cream cake. It's very delicious for me.
Which you most like?
I think the cream cake.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Ask for me question. Okay. What do you like? Good, excellent. Yeah, the life is wonderful.